Zimbabwean multi-millionaire tycoon Mnangagwa Tagwirei may soon be appointed into the ruling ZANU-PF Politburo after recently bulldozing his way into the party's central committee amid fierce resistance from his rivals, led by Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Inside sources have told the news orgs. Sinabda Mashko Mnangagwa Tagwirei plan to succeed Mnangagwa and subscribe on the bell icon. Chiwenga is fighting to succeed President Mnangagwa, but his prospects have taken a heavy knock of late as the rival faction is blocking him at every turn. Mnangagwa and Chiwenga are locked in a fierce succession power struggle. In the process, this has seen the emergence of a few potential successors, including Chiwenga Tagwirei and former Zimbabwe Defense Forces Commander, Retired General Valerius Vanda. Now members of the ZANU-PF Youth League, especially in the Midlands, have started a strong lobby behind the scenes to position Emmerson Mnangagwa Jr. 41 as a possible successor. Emmerson Jr. is the son of the president and first lady of Mnangagwa. He has twin brothers shown in callings. Emmerson Jr. and Tagwirei were close business allies, although of late they have been drifting apart. Sources say they may, in the near future, be rivals in the succession battle. The sources say Tagwirei and his inner circle has been lobbying Mnangagwa to appoint him into the Politburo so that he can get exposed to the inner workings of ZANU-PF at the highest level as he prepares for his ascendancy in 2030. A top ZANU-PF official told the news orgs, Tagwirei may soon be appointed to the Politburo. Him and his allies have lobbying the president to appoint him into the party's decision-making administrative organ of the Central Committee, which makes critical decisions. He is already a Central Committee member, but wants to rise to a higher level. From there, Tagwirei wants to be a minister, and that will then become a springboard to the presidency in 2030. Strategy positions and tactics moves will be made during next year's Congress. The Congress will be decisive in many respects. Mnangagwa is extending his rule beyond his 2030 second term legal limit through contested constitutional amendment to 2030. ZANU pangwa inoi mokweto mazvake tudze mafunguro enyu muri pamusoro these developments tiona Tagwirei achielevatewa anytime soon. So subscribe or like, want you to turn on the bell icon.